Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vlogmas 8. Today I'll be teaching you 10 styles to rock with your braids this Christmas period. I'll be wearing braids for Christmas because, to be honest, I don't want to stress myself. I'm going to be working. I'm going to travel with my 2 children by myself without a nanny for now. So braids is it for me. If this is your first time here, my name is Sitomadu Ibeleme and I'm a Lagos-based content creator and a professional makeup artist. Please make sure you click that subscribe button before you go and join the notification gang so that anytime I post a video, you are one of the first people to know and you can rush here and watch it. But let's get into this video. See you guys in my next vlog. I think this is Vlogmas 8. Style number 1. Number 2. Style number 3. Style number 5. Number 6. Style number 7. Style number 8. Style number 9. Ten. So guys, I just went through 10 easy styles to pack your hair this Christmas, especially like my sister said, for mothers. If you want a quick easy style, we're not baby slim mamas, we want to get things done, we want to look sharp fast, want to face those children immediately. I hope you enjoyed watching these hairstyles and see you guys in my next video.